Pasig City is bordered on the west by Quezon City and Mandaluyong, to the north by Marikina, to the south by Pateros and Taguig, and to the east by municipalities of Cainta and Taytay in the province of Rizal.
Hi mga Bak! So we are here again for new tourist vlog. So andito ako kasama ang aking mga Bak. So si Diana. Kasama si Jaira. And si Clarky. And for the last ang aking cameraman. So hello mga Bak. Andito kami sa tapat ng Pasig City Hall. Hi! Tapos, syempre, ikutin natin at pupuntahan natin yung mga famous places dito sa Pasig City kasama yung mga bakla ko dito sa likuran. Mga supporters, tara, ready ka na ba? Kasi, ready na kami! Ngayon, pupuntahan na kami dito. Doon tayo sa destination na Immaculate Conception. Yes. So, nagalakad na kami. So hi guys! So nandito na kami ngayon sa Pasig Immaculate Conception which is ito yung Mother Church ng Pasig City. So the currently bishop is Bishop Milo Hubert Vergara. Then meron din sila, may misa ngayon. So hindi kami masyadong kailangan nandun sa unahan. Kailangan na nating respect, di ba?
Immaculate Conception is one of the oldest structure in the city. The church was founded as a parish by the Augustinian missionaries on July 2, 1573. At nandito na tayo ngayon sa Dimasalang Bakery, the oldest bakery in the Philippines. Nagsimula sa paggawa ng mga tinapay ang Dimasalang noong 1919. Ni Ambrosio Lozada, the father of the internationally known violinist Carmelcita Lozada. Yung pangalang Dimasalang ay hango siya sa nobela ng ating bayani na si Jose Rizal, which is the Noli Me Tangere. The bakery has introduced several new items over the years. But of course, the Pasig folks remain loyal with their favorites, which is the Aglipay, the Bonet, Bizcocho de Cana, and the Diko Akalain. And the bakery has their own bestseller, which is the egg pie, na sobrang sarap.
So delicious, the egg itself is so soft. In the bottom part is not that crunchy and not that soft, but balanced. Overall, I rate this 10 over 10.
So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Andres Bonifacio Momentum. So halata naman, yung statue na to ay after kay Andres Bonifacio. Andres Bonifacio is one of the most revered heroes of the Philippines Revolution. So ayan, alam mo ba kung saan kilala si Andres Bonifacio? Hindi. Yan. Si Andres Bonifacio ay founder at naging president ng KKK. Alam mo ba ibig sabihin ng KKK?
Oo, kataas-taas ang kagalang-galangang katipunan ng anak ng bayan.
Tumpak!
Andres Bonifacio, also known as the Supremo or the Great Plebeian, was the founder and leader of the Katipunan, a secret society that fought against Spanish colonial rule in the late 19th century. He is considered as the father of the Philippine Revolution and the first president of the Philippine Republic.
Hello guys! Did you know Plaza Rizal can be found in the center of our beloved Pasig City? And did you know it is named after our national hero, Dr. Rizal? And now, tanungin natin kung ano nga ba ang full name ni Dr. Rizal. Tara! Uy guys, may tatanong lang ako sa inyo. Alam niyo ba yung full name ni Dr. Rizal?
Siyempre!
Ano ba yung full name niya?
Jose? Cotasio, Rizal, Mercado, E. Alonso, Relonda.
Hey, let's go, let's go. So yun lang, maraming salamat.
So guys, nandito naman tayo sa Nagpayong High School. Isa ito sa mga magpaaralan ng Pasig City, which is kilala ito sa pangalawa sa pinakamaraming populasyon ng mga mag-aaral. Na talaga ang Pasko, no? Oh my God! Parang nai-enjoy ko yung inner child ko, bakala! Kaiiyak ako. Charis. Pero, yun na nga, since the City Hall is an undergone iteration since 1967.
When it was a mere 4-story structure with 1,200 floor area.
So guys, thank you for watching.
Tawag mo siya ng line.
Ay, isa pala. Game.
Guys, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And visit Pasig City!